Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 and the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven. If you're new here, make sure to hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Both the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 and Gourmia Air Fryer Oven offer a 4-in-1 functionality: air fry, bake, roast, and reheat. However, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven provides more cooking options with its 12 one-touch digital presets to easily cook French fries, wings, fish fryer, bacon, seafood, vegetables, and more. The Instant Vortex 4-in-1 features even crisp technology for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Meanwhile, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven has a fat removal technology in its air fryer basket that removes up to 90% of fat through the cooking process, providing a healthier way to fry. Both air fryers offer easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe air fry baskets and trays. However, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven provides a faster cleanup experience due to its specialized air fryer accessories that go straight into the dishwasher for cleaning. The Instant Vortex 4-in-1 provides one-touch smart programs and a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for customizable cooking, which makes it perfect for preparing gourmet meals quickly. On the other hand, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven has a comprehensive warranty, which is always useful for added peace of mind. The Instant Vortex 4-in-1 is available for $39, while the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven is priced at $53. Keep in mind that both of these products are known for their reliability and versatility. That's it, folks. Both air fryers do a great job. Depending on your preferences and requirements, one of these may be a better option for you. What do you think? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.